Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I want to show you a riff of a mojito, or so-called Cojito. This variation of the mojito uses coconut rum, and hence the replacement of M with C on the title. It's really easy to make, so let's not waste more time and start with the drink. We take a highball glass, and into the glass we're gonna add 6, 8, 10, whatever amount of mint you want. I'm putting a little bit more. And also we're gonna add 1 ounce or 30 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then if you want, you can muddle with this stage. I don't think it's really neat, also since we're gonna add ice. Also the recipe calls for 2 teaspoons of white sugar. I prefer to use simple syrup. I think it's easier to incorporate, so I will go with half an ounce, 50 ml. To that we're gonna add 22.5 ml or 3/4 of an ounce of white rum. And the recipe calls also for coconut rum. The only thing I have available is Malibu, which is a coconut flavored rum liqueur. But anyway, most people consider this a coconut rum, so should be great. Okay, so we're gonna add some ice. And we're gonna top it up with, let's say, 2 to 3 ounces of sparkling water. We're gonna take a straw, mix everything well. We're gonna add a mint sprig as a decoration and a lime wheel. So that is how we make the Cojito. Let's give it a taste. Well, that's definitely surprised me. I was hoping I would like it, but to a certain extent I'm blown away. It's really good. You have these coconut notes and give you kind of this tropical vibe. But you also have the mint that is catching up, and actually the mixture between mint and coconut gives quite nice general feeling onto the tongue. So I definitely recommend this one. It's great. I hope you enjoy it, especially now during the summer. But regardless of the season, it's a wow drink in my humble opinion. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I see you next time. Bye bye everyone.